Oh my gosh, what? Passive Profits Mastermind. Now, I'll tell you what, I've been very, very surprised by this. This is actually put on by James Jernigan, and this actually has a whole host of courses inside. So it's got Make Money on TikTok, Facebook Stories tutorial, how to set up Groove so that you can go ahead and have courses and pages and all that kind of stuff. It has the How to Rank SEO course on how to rank your pages on Google, your GMBs on Google, stuff like that, as well as a CTR manipulation training, since some of the programs that we've been using in the past have kind of disappeared or have shrunk, so they have a lot less members. So this is a technique that I used to use. So he's got some good tips in there. But one of the golden things inside is the weekly videos and Discord chat. Now, the crazy thing is most of the time it's really hard to get a hold of creators when you have questions about their product, when you have questions about certain strategies they're teaching, stuff like that. So right here inside the Discord, they have a bunch of stuff inside the Discord. So they have, the welcome, the announcements, the general projects, but they have questions. And right here, I went ahead and asked a question inside, and James actually answered, 4 minutes later. So as opposed to, trying to get through Messenger, trying to get through email, all that kind of stuff, I got an answer in 4 minutes on the Discord. And that is part of the mastermind, where you get access to the creator, where it's almost instantaneous. 4 minutes to get an answer is pretty amazing. So inside the TikTok, it had some good information in there, some stuff that I haven't seen before because I've been doing some, stuff on TikTok. And so he's got 8 videos inside where you are able to get in there and be able to watch specific things. So he's got what to do first, setting up your accounts, creating your videos, reposting your videos, engaging your audience, and testing and scaling. And what I liked inside of creating your videos, he had a lot of hooks that actually help you grab the attention of people when you are trying to, people are scrolling and you only have like 1 to 3 seconds to catch their attention. I really liked his long list of hooks that he had inside there. And he basically does an over-the-shoulder step-by-step on everything you need to do to set up your TikTok so that you can start getting traction and getting exposure so you can get traffic to your link. Remember, whenever we're looking for organic, we're always trying to get traffic to our link, whether that's on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. It's all about getting traffic. And so he shows you some ways to get traffic in there, which is really nice. He also has the Facebook Stories tutorial. And so he actually goes through on how to set up the Facebook Stories tutorials. And so he has a quick in-depth training on how to be able to do that, how to get in there, how to optimize it, and how to get more Facebook attraction and attention so you can boost the algorithm, which is pretty nice. Now, the Groove setup is one of his more in-depth products here. So it actually goes through, you got 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 different modules, step by step, exactly how to do it, like press this button, press that button, save it, preview it, all that kind of stuff. So he shows you step by step on how to be able to set up Groove. And Groove is free if you, want to use it on one website, stuff like that. So that gives you the ability to be able to set it up step by step. It's a pretty in-depth training. I really enjoyed that. And then the CTR manipulation, like I said, this is a technique that I've used previously. And, it works. You have to, babysit it a little bit more, but it works when programs are going down or they're shrinking user bases where they no longer make it easy to be able to use. You can go back to the tactics that are tried and true and that work. And then the How to Rank SEO course was also very in-depth. And if you see here, when you get inside the course, he's got a ton of content inside the course: competitor analysis, choosing keywords, creating accounts, content creation, all that kind of stuff. So all in all, it is a really good pickup. The pricing is really not that bad. And to be able to have access to another creator in the space, with being able to get an answer within 3 or 4 minutes, That's unheard of. And then you get, constant updated videos every month, which is pretty cool. But to be able to pick minds of creators and find out, the ins and outs of the strategy is very, very nice. So I definitely give this one a big thumbs up. I enjoyed the content, and I look forward to the other content that's going to be coming out inside James Jernigan's Passive Profits Mastermind. Smack it, grab it. I'll talk to you soon.